Unlocking the charm of idioms, as neat as a new pin, explained. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, as neat as a new pin. This idiom paints a vivid picture using just a few words, but what does it really mean? Join me as we explore the origins, meaning, and usage of this charming expression, making it as clear as a bell for all English language learners. At neat as a new pin is an idiom used to describe something that is extremely clean or tidy, with everything in its proper place. The phrase conjures the image of a pin that is brand new, without any blemishes or signs of use, symbolizing perfection and orderliness. This idiom is often used to compliment someone's living space, appearance, or even a well-organized document. The idiom, as neat as a new pin, dates back to the 18th century. Pins, at that time, were valuable items, carefully made and presented in pristine condition. Being as neat as a new pin implied something was as perfect and clean as these freshly made pins, highlighting the value of cleanliness and meticulousness in that era. Let's see how to incorporate this idiom into our daily conversations or writings. After a thorough cleaning, I spent the entire morning tidying up the garage, and now it's as neat as a new pin. Describing someone's appearance. Dressed in her new outfit, she looked as neat as a new pin for the job interview. Praising organization skills. His desk is always as neat as a new pin, making it so much easier to find any document you need. Idioms like, as neat as a new pin, enrich the English language, adding color and depth to our conversations. They reflect cultural values and historical contexts, making learning them both a challenge and a delight. For language learners, understanding idioms is crucial for achieving fluency and grasping the nuances of English. And that wraps up our journey through the idiom, as neat as a new pin. We hope this video has illuminated this quaint expression, making it a neat addition to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms are the spices of language, adding flavor to our conversations. Keep exploring, and you'll find your English as rich as a treasure chest. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.